Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel today. Good to see you again. Good to know you are right there doing great already. Good to have you join me on this video. Okay, and if today is your first time seeing my face on YouTube, please do to hit the subscribe button and join the family, and also remember to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. Okay, on today's video I'll be sharing with you simple way, very simple way you can make money online with your phone. Yeah, and yes, especially during holidays. Okay, this method of making money has been a kind of practice a kind of system, or a special way I've come to start saying, okay, this is how I make money. It has gradually become a regular thing for me, a regular practice, and it's been working out for me. Okay, so times it a number. Okay, even during the last holiday, put it up again, and guess what? I ended up earning 20,000 naira, nothing less than 20,000 naira per day, or let me say approximately 20,000 naira per day. Yes, 20,000 daily for the duration of time it ran. Okay, so you see, so you too can make money using this method. It's not that serious, it's not that you don't require special training and all of that. Okay, so this is how I do it. Now when I go online, especially on Facebook, I joined some Facebook group. Okay, I'm a member of some Facebook group, maybe like some female related or some women related groups like that, maybe cooking group, baking group, and all of that. Okay, so this holiday I just, at the point I ran out of money, so I needed to like do something with money, but it was not there, and I felt so like, I felt like, oh, how will I go and ask for money to do this little stuff again? So I need to like get some money. So how do I do that? So I just remembered, oh, my online classes are there. Okay, so I just had to put out an advert, just 500 naira I paid for the advert, and guess what? When I put out the advert, people were like, they're interested, so they joined the class and paid the token that was attached. It was very minimal though, yeah. So but the course outline was worth it, was voluminous. Okay, so I needed to give out value for a little to attract people, you get. So yeah, people paid, and so I ended up cashing out 20k, approximately 20k daily, you see. So it's not a big thing anyway, it's not a complex tutorial anyway I was doing. It just on DIYs. Okay, I was basically teaching DIYs, how to make Bournvita at home, how to make custard at home, how to do some basic practical things at home. Okay, and I put it out to an audience which I knew they were kind of interested. Yes, you know, female, women, child care, and all of that. We need to all these things are like things we get daily for our children, for our kids, and all of that. So, and doing it at home at cheaper rates, I felt that okay, they will buy the idea. So I put up the class and I advertised it on that Facebook group which I belong on, several of those Facebook groups. First of all, the first one I posted on was just, it was 500 naira I paid the lady. Okay, so when I posted it, the turnout was good and was encouraging. So I went to another group again, paid, and got a lot of people signing up for the class, and I ended up cashing out 20k daily consecutively like that. Okay, for a period of time, you get. So that was how I raised the sum of money I needed, and extra sum, which even got me a lot of things, all of that. So I did some savings and even currently I'm still running the classes. Okay, so these are some little tips you can do as a student, or as a woman, or as a man. Anybody can actually do it. Okay, you just have to find out a niche. Okay, a niche that sells at that particular time. Okay, and explore it, make good use of it. Okay, so you see many online trainings going on. I think I've actually mentioned this particular thing on one of my videos. So you see online training is going on. Sometimes you might not even need you might not even be able to practice it at that particular time, but just pay for the knowledge, just get the knowledge, tutorials and all of that. You pay for the knowledge, you get trained, and you too can go out and organize your class, your own tutorial. Okay, you can organize your online tutorial too, using that knowledge you gain to give to others, because people are out there who may need a certain knowledge. Okay, but you getting it, take advantage of it, bring it out to people, and they will pay you a token. So this is actually a practical way I made money. I made a lot of money. So yeah, and it's been helping me. It has been my regular practice now. So I discovered something that is working for me, so why would I stick with it? So yeah, even as a student, I earn money. Yeah, I still make use of this opportunity to earn money even as a student, to support myself, to like fund my bills at times. So it's not every time I will have to be calling my parents. You can have a means of earning money while in school, but just ensure it doesn't come between you and your studies. Okay, yeah, that's very nice. If you can carve out a niche where you can earn as a student, yeah. So like I mentioned before, this is something everybody can practice, no matter your class, no matter your status. If you want to do it, you can actually do it. Okay, and also just find a niche. Okay, some persons, they are good in crypto. You get the investment, and also teaching people how to do it. Then there are many things you can also actually teach online. So yeah, it's not only these DIYs and all of that. So just try and discover what you can do, find out what you can do, find out a particular niche you can also invest in. You can also get to be comfortable with, and explore it. Okay, monetize your knowledge. Yeah, monetize it. Okay, so if imagine me earning 20k daily with just 500 naira investment. I actually made that advert with 500 naira. Okay, let me say I started with 500 naira, then I went to other groups too. I also paid to advertise, you get, so to reach a larger audience. Okay, so that was it. I took advantage. I saw that people were really in need of that knowledge, then I took advantage of it and explore it. Okay, as they are getting the knowledge, me, I'm getting monetized, like I'm getting the monetary benefit, you get. So that's it. So also, if you should organize a class like this, an online tutorial, please ensure you deliver. Okay, some persons might just end up collecting the money, and at the end of the day they don't even cover up to a half of what they said they were going to teach. Okay, they brought out to the people. Okay, please learn to stick with your promise. Okay, as you are collecting their money, make sure you are delivering. Okay, that's one thing that I always do. No matter how little the money may be for a particular training, I ensure that I deliver very well. Okay, there are some classes where people will even say, oh, you want to teach all this bulky course outline for just this token? They will be surprised, they'll be amazed, because the money they are paying, it's actually not worth the value they are getting. Yeah, just like you're giving them an evidence of doubt. Okay, so that's for that. So just ensure you deliver to them, and also it will make them keep coming. Okay, if they have another opportunity, you are doing that kind of thing, maybe something different next time, and they happen to see you online still doing putting up something different, because of the previous way you treated them before, because of the previous way which you delivered to them, they want to come, they want to like patronize you again, they want to pay for that again. So meanwhile you are gaining their trust, they are free to do business with you, you get. So a lot of my online students stick around. Okay, do stick around, even after the training, after the class, after the tutorial, they still keep coming. All right, maybe to patronize my data sales, to patronize me one way or the other. All right, so just keep in touch. All right, so there are a lot of benefits. There are a lot of things you can actually do online. So just imagine someone earning 20k every day. Okay, let's take for instance just for 10 days. Let's say just 10 days alone. 10 days alone is 200,000 naira. You get 20 days 400. So 30 days of the month, you just have 600k to yourself within your comfort zone. Just imagine, just in your comfort zone. You don't have to leave the house. Just you, your phone, your data, you are good to go. You see, I'm not saying this because I'm bragging or anything. No. Because even the 20k we are talking about, some persons aim more than that actually. So let's not. So I'm just saying it based on exposing it to people that you can actually make something good from your comfort zone. Okay, so in this current, in this Nigeria that we are in now, so you know that everything is good in this country. Yes, let me put it that way. Everything is good, even the economy is good. Yeah, by God's grace. Okay, so you just have to think out of the box. You just have to explore new things. Okay, all right. When I say new things, positive things. Okay, things that have value, things that are legit. You get. So that's just it. So as a university student, as a student, I've been able to have had this need for myself. This is what I do periodically. Okay, I'm not saying consistently because at some point it may tend to like come between my studies and so I have to put it aside at some point, okay, and face my studies. Okay, most especially during holiday, I do exploit this, especially during holiday. Okay, so or some weekends, or when I just figure out and say, okay, there will be time for me, so period, there will be time for me to do something like this. So I just venture into it, and God's so kind, it's always turning out well. Okay, so that's it for this video today. So please, if you got value from this class, if you got value from the class, which I know you did, please just give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and also do well to share this video. Okay, share this video, let others come on board. And also please, if you haven't subscribed till now, do well to hit the subscribe button, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell for more exciting content. All right, okay, so if you have good video ideas that you want to share, or you want me to feature on this channel, please do well, like just feel free to state it. Okay, is it from business talks, from relationship gist, from school gist? Basically I'm a student now, so I'm even filming from the hostel, so you know this environment is like hostel like environment. Okay, so if you know of any useful tip that you feel it will benefit us in this channel, it will be good I feature such in my channel. It will help this channel go well, it will help this channel benefit everybody on this channel. Please feel free to drop a comment on the comment section. If you have a question, a suggestion, please do well to drop it on the comment section below. Okay. I believe 1 or 2 persons have benefited something from this video, so I'll be glad if you really practice and give me feedback. All right, I hope to come your way again some other time soon enough. Okay, so until then, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.